Elon Musk's AI is not just predicting the future, it's revealing some seriously chilling possibilities that we all need to pay attention to. Imagine a world where AI can create hyper-realistic images of anything, literally anything, without the limitations most companies are placing on their models. Sounds exciting or terrifying? What if I told you that this new AI could be the most dangerous tool ever released? And it's already making waves for all the wrong reasons. Elon Musk, often a vocal critic of unchecked AI, has ironically dropped a bombshell on the tech world. Grok 2. This AI image generator is like nothing we've seen before. It doesn't just create random pictures, it produces images so realistic, so detailed, that they blur the line between reality and fiction. But here's the kicker. It does so without any concern for copyright or safety. Think about that for a moment. A tool that can generate convincing images of real people, iconic characters, and even fictitious scenarios, without permission, without limits. You might be thinking, isn't this what all AI image generators do? Well, not quite. Most companies have taken steps to ensure their models don't infringe on copyrighted material. They've been cautious, understanding that using someone else's intellectual property without consent is a lawsuit waiting to happen. But Grok 2? It's a different beast altogether. This AI doesn't just cross the line, it erases it. Now, let's dive into why this is such a big deal. Imagine a world where you can generate an image of, say, Donald Trump in a compromising situation, or a beloved character like Mickey Mouse doing something wildly inappropriate. With Grok 2, that's not just a possibility, it's a reality. And the implications are huge. We're talking about potential lawsuits from some of the most powerful companies on the planet. Think Disney, Warner Brothers, and more. But beyond the legal ramifications, there's a darker side to this technology. The problem isn't just about stealing copyrighted work, it's about the Pandora's box this technology opens. In the early days of AI image generation, there were telltale signs that an image was fake. Wonky fingers, weird reflections, odd proportions. But those days are rapidly fading. Grok 2 represents a leap forward, not just in quality, but in potential for misuse. The ability to create realistic, incendiary images that can easily be mistaken for the real thing is a recipe for disaster. Fake news, propaganda, and misinformation could reach a whole new level of believability, and the consequences could be dire. Think about the impact on society. In the wrong hands, this technology could be used to create chaos. Fake images of political leaders, doctored photos of celebrities, and worse. And with the ability to generate convincing text on these images, the line between fact and fiction becomes dangerously blurred. Grok 2 isn't just a tool for artists or hobbyists. It's a weapon that could be used to manipulate public opinion, incite violence, or tarnish reputations. And here's where things get really troubling. While other AI companies are quietly pulling data from the web to train their models, they're doing so with some level of restraint. Grok 2, however, is the unfiltered, unhinged version of what AI can do. It's a model that not only absorbs copyrighted data, but flaunts it. And the results are, frankly, terrifying. From Mickey Mouse with a swastika to Ronald McDonald with a machine gun, the images Grok 2 can produce are not just offensive, they're dangerous. So, what's next? As the world responds to Grok 2, we're likely to see a wave of claims, open objection, and heated talks about AI's part in society. But one thing is certain. Grok 2 has set a modern point of reference, and the AI scene will never be the same. Whether this leads to more tightly directed or a more cautious approach to AI improvement remains to be seen. But one thing's for sure. This story is distant from over. Elon Musk's Grok 2 is more than just an AI model. It's a wake-up call. As we stand on the brink of a new era in AI, the question we should be asking isn't just what this technology can do, but what it should do. Because once the genie is out of the bottle, there's no going back.